Hey guys, welcome back to Beyblade X Official. Sorry I haven't been uploading, but the reason why I haven't been uploading was because I've been preparing to collect, and so I now have a collection, and I'm going to go through all of the new ones I have, so please like and subscribe, and I don't know the names because I kind of just unboxed them, so we got this one, that's one of them, this one. Remember this one? This one. I know this one's Red Hulk. We got this one. Also, in Beyblade X, on Netflix, their season 2 is actually gonna be in April 20th. If you want to watch that. There's that. Yes, we're gonna be doing Beyblade battles today. As you see, this one's been used more. Paint. There's that one. Remember? This one, the goat. Remember the goat? We got the goat. We got a goat. We got a, I don't know what this guy is. I don't know what the names of the Beyblades are, but this one looks like Sith and Cynthia, maybe. Whatever. Probably is. I don't really know how to search them all up. And then I'll do a video of all their names. We got an elephant. I'm just guessing because of the little thing in the middle. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. Got a dinosaur. I mean, that's what it is. I'm not sure what the name is, but I'm sure it's not from the show, but it's fine. Turtle, Mr. Turtle. A rhino. Make sure you guys get to see that. Oh yeah, I also got a new arena. Look at that more in the view. Hold up. Oh. There we go. I'll just move this stuff out of the way. I'll just kind of move that so the view looks better. Oh. That's better. So now we have official Beyblade Stadium with a cover. Because in the last video, like I said, the literal Beyblades hit my wall. I don't need that. So the orange one, if you guys are wondering where the orange one is, it's no longer being used. Because I don't need that one. Unless I will actually desperately need that one. I don't know. We got Thanos, classic Thanos from the other videos. This guy. Iron Man. The Ghosty Ghost. I don't know. Night Owl. And this monkey or whatever. I am now using a string launcher, but because it's faster and I've been wanting to be able to do it quicker. So, to be able to do quicker, I'm gonna have to be able to see that. So I will eventually get better view of the stadium, and I mean it's a not bad view of the stadium. It's the best I could do so far. I mean I could try. Well, oh, hold on. There we go. That's good enough. But today we're gonna be battling the rhino. The rhino right here, and we'll do the rhino and the monkey just to see what happens. Because, like, think about it. If you're fighting, who would win? A monkey or a gorilla or a rhino? I'm pretty sure a rhino would win, but this is going to be specifically Beyblade related. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's get the rhino first. Okay, it looks like the gorilla. Pretty sure that's the gorilla losing. Wait, that's the rhino. Never mind. The gorilla just smoked him. The gorilla absolutely smoked him in the ring. So this time I'm gonna help the rhino go faster. There we go. That's better. Oh wow. Why is he... There we go. Okay. I think the rhino won this round. Okay. Yeah, the rhino won. So it's, let's see, 1 point each for each other. They're not really much of a tactic. Oh, that one went on to this part right here. I'll zoom in the stadium more if you guys want that. There we go. Now you guys can see like the Beyblades going. That one's probably just gonna stay there, but I can't help. Yeah, that thing's just staying in there. I tried literally pushing it out. It would not want to get out. Let's do 2 more battles. So just. Oh, that was a mislaunch. Let's retry that. Let's do it quickly. Oh, forgot. I gotta twist it a little. I'll do another 3 battles with an attack type Beyblades because these are not really putting off much of a fight here. Okay, yeah, that one just got dumped right in the corner over there. Okay, those are the 2, rhino and the gorilla. Now we're gonna do some attack types, and I know which ones that are attack types. They're not that one. I would this one, and I've noticed that those 2 are attack types. So we're just gonna do this one first. Oh my gosh. That's going off my ear. Oh wow. That one. Wait, I don't know who won. Wait a minute. We'll do a retry. Well, you guys can tell me in the comments. I forgot. Oh my gosh, I gotta be quick. Oh. Let's restart that. 3, 2, 1, let it. Oh, fine. Okay, let's restart this. The red dragon versus the birdie. What's this called? The birdie. There we go. Okay, we have an idea who won this one. Okay, let's just do a final. This is the final match. Here we go. So we gotta lock in on this one. Okay, this is not the final yet because it just fell out of the ring. Don't mind that. There we go. Okay, they're just gonna spin each other around. Okay. Ooh, knocked it in the corner there. If you guys didn't like and subscribe, I'll see you in another one. Peace.